Hey guys, it's your boy Alex here. Today, I'm gonna tell you how to get girls step by step revised. So you see all these spicy senoritas over there. You know what I'm saying? All spicy and sexy. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to get one of them. Step 1. Go and talk to her without having any preemptive assumption about her based on her looks. Just talk to her just because she's hot and you want to get to know her. Step 2, bro. Take her to a coffee shop, wherever. Take her to wherever and have like a fun time. Wherever. Oh, fucking. Bro, my mind's muddled up because of shit. But step 2, take her to a place where it brings you memories and shit. Or, no, don't start there. That's step 3. Step 2 is talk to her about, share whatever favorite activities, what she likes, and find a common interest. If there is none, you just like her for looks or whatever, might as well invite her and home and Netflix and chill. But if you have a common interest, she might be beneficial for you. You know what I'm saying? Number 3, which was said preemptively. Invite her to a place that is memorable to you, where you loved it. Whether it's a coffee shop, a park, wherever. Invite her there and make her world spin, fam. Make it fun. So first it'll be talk, then have a bit of a tussle with her. Any fun activities, could be exercise, could be whatever, and share it so that she memorizes this moment for you. So finally, step 4, take her home. If she is not willing, cool. Whenever you're free, take her home. If you're free all the time, get busy, because ain't nobody like guys that are free all the time. So get busy and say, Sunday, 7 o'clock in the evening, I like to take you home for, let's say, whatever. I like to take you home for sex or whatever. And just be like, yo, lady, let's go. She says no, that's fine. You don't need to, you might cut her out. She might come back to you later, whatever. So, moral of the story is, these are the 4-step plans of how to get a girl. I'm going to write it down so that if you don't get it from me speaking about it, you can at least get it from me typing on it. You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, peace out.